All right, let's see what we have here. So I see these two different problems. I see this first problem and then this second problem. And I need to solve for x, and I don't know how to do that. I've looked on Google, but why? You asked Cindy, right? Exactly. So what's cool is there is this rule that if they are the same base and you only have one log on both sides, then you can set, notice this u and v equal to each other. So you just have to go back to these properties, these log properties, and if you remember, such as if you're subtracting, let's do this one up here first. Remember, I can write this as one logarithm. And the reason, and I'm not doing anything on this side, the reason that I want to do that is because now look, they're the same bases, base E, ln, remember, is base E, and base E on the other side. So all I have to do now is set what's in parentheses equal to each other. I can multiply both sides by x to get rid of that horrible, horrible fraction that we all hate. And so I have 7x plus 12 equals 8x. And then I can subtract 7x, from both sides, and I end up with 12 equals 1x. So you're going to see on these, when they show up, the first thing you have to do is figure out, how do I only get ln on one side? Now this next one, remember, had a power rule when you had this number out here, that it goes up as a power. So this now would become ln of x minus 4 squared. And then notice the plus, that's the multiplication. So equals ln, just so it looks a little better, I'm going to put the 5 out front, and then x plus 6. So once again, we're home free. You have an ln on this side, an ln on that side, and now I can simply solve this for x. So away we go with our algebra skills. Remember, this is FOIL. This is x minus 4, x minus 4. If I distribute that 5, that's going to give me 5x plus 30. If I FOIL this, I'm going to get x squared minus 4x minus 4x plus 16. Remember, FOIL, that times that, that times that, that times that, that times that. And then nothing changed over here, 5x plus 30. So I'm going to collect like terms. So I have x squared minus 8x plus 16. I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 5x and the 30 because I want to set this up as a quadratic to solve. All right, you can pause me if I'm getting a little crazy now. And so from here, if I collect like terms, those look alike, those look alike. So I have x squared minus 13x minus 14 equals 0. If you do not remember, or you're not very good at factoring, not a big deal. You could use the quadratic formula for this. I'm pretty good at factoring because I know x squared is x and x. I know to get 14 would be 14 times 1. And then because the larger value is negative, and you could FOIL that out and you would see that this actually is x squared minus 13x minus 14. Now factoring will get you, right? So if you set both of these factors equal to 0, it always looks like a person going, woo! You're going to get from this piece, x equals -1. However, that's a problem with logarithms. You can't have a negative, you can't take the negative of a log, so you can't use that. Okay, so all you can use is the x minus 14, which would be x equals 14, because remember I set it equal to 0, and that would be your final answer.